Okay, I have these out right now, so I'm not going to sound that great. But I want to show you a couple things that I did to help myself look more normal and sound more normal. Number one, most important, do not overload the ends with all that gook stuff. That like you'll notice that I only have like the mass of it in the middle, towards the middle. And a great deal of it is actually supporting the roof plate, if you will, to the unit. So the sides are pretty much empty. I use my canine teeth. I happen to have mine still as kind of the anchors when I pop it in, and then I have another tooth here left as well. I was in an accident back in '06 and I lost like the three front teeth here on the top. So nevertheless, if you can manage to leave those sides completely empty and push this far enough up into the roof of your mouth, that to the point where your teeth are going to appear higher, and you're going to be able to put your bottom teeth against your top teeth when you close your mouth, you will sound a lot better and you will look more normal. You will avoid the horse teeth that some people get from these, or the buck, or the overbite. You know, you want to avoid that. You want these to look as normal as possible. Now I'm going to put these in and I'm going to show you what I mean. So right now, these are in and they're all the way up. So I can talk with sharp S's and THs like Sister Susie sitting on a thistle. It kind of sounds normal. It looks more normal because they're not hanging down low like horse teeth, and they're not sticking way out. There's no overbite. Well, there is, but you can't really tell. And that's because I freed up the sides and I left those areas empty so that I can hit my teeth together, the bottom and the tops. When I close my mouth, my real teeth touch. And that's the key to looking more normal and sounding more normal. So I hope that helps. Also, one other thing that I want to point out that I noticed that I accidentally did, but I'm glad I did, is if you look along the edge where the teeth are the whole way around, there's a little bit there. And that's good because that's going to keep those teeth right where they need to be. All right, I hope that helps. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a good one.